Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In my last tutorial, I said if you want to increase your WhatsApp status views, then you need to do mention WhatsApp groups on your WhatsApp status. When you mention any group on your status, that's mean your status will show in the front of all the WhatsApp group members which are not in your WhatsApp contact. So this is a quick and easiest method. Just following that, you can increase WhatsApp status views. Now, today we'll learn how to mention any group, WhatsApp group on your WhatsApp status. Just open your WhatsApp app, then go to updates from bottom side. After here, you need to click on the camera icon to upload a status. Whichever you want, just like a picture of yourself or a video or a reel, anything else. After then here I am selecting a picture. For example, I want to add this logo on my status. So you want to mention any group. Just click here on the right bottom corner at the red. Then here's all the groups and contact list. Anyone which you want to mention. For example, I want to mention this group, GB Chef Job group. All right. Uh, Same as if you want you whichever you want to mention, you can select any group from here. So guys, this is the simple method by doing you can mention any group in your status. I hope so the short tutorial is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.